HR Trends Plus, Navigating Digital Disruption. I am your host Vaishnavi Kumar, and today we will explore how technology is reshaping HR from AI-driven hiring to automation in employee management. Digital disruption is changing the way businesses operate. Joining me today are Asia, hello, an HR director with expertise in talent management. Harshal, hello, a specialist in HR technology and automation. Aniket, a consultant in employee experience and engagement. Saili, an HR consultant working with companies to implement digital solutions. And Rahul, naam to suna hoga, a data analyst focusing on workforce trends and HR analytics. Welcome everyone.
Audio Jungle.
Let's begin by understanding digital disruption in HR. Asia, as an HR director, how is technology changing HR processes?
First of all, thank you so much, Vaishnavi, for inviting me. Digital disruption means HR is no longer about paper, it's about efficiency. In AI helps screen job candidates, answer employee queries, and automation handle payroll. This allows HR to focus on strategy and employee growth rather than repetitive tasks.
That makes sense. Harshada, as an HR tech expert, what are the biggest trends you are seeing?
AI on automations, recruitment, onboarding, and employee engagement. AI speeds up resume screening and reduces bias in hiring. Cloud-based HR platforms also makes it easier for companies to manage remote teams.
From an employee experience perspective, digital tools for personalization of AI-driven learning platforms such as courses based on employee skills and self-service. HR portals give an employee and control their own records and for businesses, especially smaller ones. Technology provides affordable HR solutions that were only available to large companies, stable to planning fail and improve efficiency.
Data is another game changer. HR analytics can predict workforce trends, track employees' engagement, and even prevent burnout by analyzing workforce patterns.
Looking ahead, where do you see HR technology in next 5 to 10 years, Asia?
I believe that HR will be even data-driven. AI will help talent retention, career growth, planning, and even mental health tracking to support employee well-being.
Nowadays, I see virtual reality becoming a key part of training and onboarding. Imagine new employees hiring a virtual office store or practicing soft skills in VR simulations.
Personalization will be a big thing. AI will create a customized career path and wellness program tailored to individual employees. And small businesses will have more access to affordable user-friendly HR tools, helping them stay competitive in HR hiring and talent management.
And HR analytics will only grow stronger. Companies will use data to predict trends, reduce employee turnover, and improve workplace culture.
Saidi, can you please give any example of how digital disruption change HR at a real company? Can you share any incident you face?
Yes, Vaishnavi. I have a live example of financial plus. The financial services company struggle with outdated HR processes like manual payroll and performance reviews. They adopted HR automation software that integrated payroll with real-time attendance tracking. They use AI for performance evaluation and performance recommendations and provided self-services portals for employees, which resulted in processing time of HR reduced by 60%. Payroll errors dropped significantly and HR teams shifted focus from administrative to employee development.
These changes bring exciting opportunities but also challenges. Asia, what are the biggest benefits of digital transformation in HR?
Okay, efficiency is the biggest one. Automating processes like payroll, leave management, and recruitment save time, reduce errors, and lets HR focus on people instead of paperwork.
You are right, Asia. But one major challenge is, especially for small businesses, some HR tools are expensive and training employees to use them require time and efforts.
Rahul, I want to add something. Data-driven decision making. AI helps HR leader to predict turnover and employee trends, allowing companies to address issues before they begin problems.
But Harshada, on the other hand, data security is another big issue. HR system sensitive employee information, so company need strong cyber security measures to prevent data breaches.
Aniket, I think for employees, digital HR tools make interactions smoother, self-service, portals, chatbots, and AI-driven learning platforms make work more convenient and engaging.
But also employees sometimes fear automation will replace their jobs. HR teams need to communicate clearly and offering training so employees see technology as a tool, not a threat.
A big thank you to Harshada, Asiya, Rahul, Aniket and Saili for sharing their expertise. And to our listeners, thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your network. Until the next time, keep embracing the future of HR.